How to solve cellular data connection issue on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like cellular data or connection issue on iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so from the settings section, you'll have to just try to turn on the airplane mode for the 20 second, and after you turn on for the 20 second, you'll have to just turn off the airplane mode from there, and from there you'll have to just wait for a while. That will resolve your problem or not. And if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just check by ejecting your SIM from your iPhone, and after you eject the SIM tray, you'll have to just try with your another SIM card, and from there you can as usual confirm that your SIM card tray is working or not. And after you confirm that, and if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from there and open the settings again, and from the settings section you'll have to tap on general, and now from there tap on software update. Okay, so from this section, make sure that you have the updated version of iOS on your iPhone, and after you confirm it, you'll have to just back from here, and from your scroll down at the bottom and go the options like transfer or reset iPhone, and now from your tap on reset. Okay, so from your tap on reset network settings, and now from here you have to enter your passcode for your iPhone, and after you confirm with your iPhone passcode, you'll be easily able to reset all of the networks available on your iPhone. And after you do this, you'll be able to easily solve the cellular data connection issue on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.